Crypto in 2025. Where are we heading? It's 2025, and the world of cryptocurrency has moved far beyond just Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're in a new era of digital finance, where Web3 ecosystems, stablecoins, and AI-integrated blockchains are becoming the norm rather than the exception. The adoption rate of crypto payments has surged, thanks to improved scalability, lower gas fees, and smoother regulatory frameworks in key countries. Major online retailers now accept stablecoins like USDC and even region-specific tokens. For everyday consumers, crypto is no longer just an investment. It's becoming the default way to transact globally. Behind this revolution is the rising dominance of Layer 2 networks and cross-chain platforms. Technologies like ZK rollups and optimistic rollups are unlocking speed and security in ways unimaginable a few years ago. What was once a playground for coders and crypto-anarchists is now a structured, regulated space where innovation still thrives, but within a safety net. Governments that once saw crypto as a threat are now creating national wallets, tax tracking systems, and even central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, to stay relevant. It's a strange new mix of decentralization and state involvement, but it's working for now. Investors are no longer simply buying tokens to hold. They are participating in decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, yield farming, staking, and NFT collateralization. NFTs themselves have evolved. In 2025, they're not just digital art, but tools of authentication, ownership proof, and access passes in the metaverse and real-world services. AI-generated NFTs, dynamic NFTs that change over time, and cross-platform identity tokens have transformed how we think of digital assets. This has made crypto-native economies more immersive, inclusive, and responsive to their communities. Yet, as always, with great innovation comes great volatility. Crypto markets remain unpredictable. The rise of meme coins like DogeGPT and AI Pepe may seem like a joke, but they move billions in market cap. On the darker side, cybercrime has gotten smarter, using deepfakes and AI bots to scam even seasoned traders. Privacy coins are under regulatory scrutiny again, and decentralized exchanges face legal pressures in many jurisdictions. Education is more critical than ever in 2025. Users need to understand wallets, private keys, on-chain activity, and AI integration in financial apps to truly thrive. The learning never stops.